These stainless steel biscuit and cookie cutters are a kitchen tool that is really nice to have. They're perfect for making biscuits, cookies, donuts, sandwich shapes, pancakes, pie crusts, dumpling wrappers, even shaping your fried eggs. My son and his Nana actually use them to make homemade English muffins, and they gave everyone that nice bakery look. They're such a simple tool, but they make everything easy to cut clean, even circles that bake up beautifully. This set comes with 5 different sizes that nest together for nice storage, and each one is clearly marked with its size, so it was really easy to grab the size that we needed. For these English muffins, they rolled out the dough and used one of the cutters to make even circles. It cuts cleanly through the dough with very little effort, so it helps each muffin bake to a nice uniform size. Once the circles were cut, they were placed on the baking sheet to rise before going in the oven, and then the finished muffins were soft on the inside with that classic texture that we love. They were absolutely delicious, and it was such a fun baking project for my son and his Nana to do together. These cutters definitely made the process easy and gave everything a uniform bakery style finish.